Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not have the object eraser feature by default in the Gallery app. But if you want to get this feature on your Samsung phone, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. After that, just tap on Open. Tap on Continue. Then tap on Remove Objects. Tap on the X icon over here and select Allow. After that, just tap on Remove Objects. Select Allow All. And from here, just select the photo of which you want to remove an object. For example, I will select this photo. Now on this screen, just select Brush over here. Now just mark over the object which you want to remove from your photo. Just like that. Then select Remove. And once you do that, you will remove the object from your photo. Then tap on Next and tap on Save. And once you do that, this photo will be saved to your Gallery app. Just like that. And this is how you can remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.